What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye 8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a sticky rotor. So the first thing you do is remove the caliper, and this rotor is ready to come off. But this actual vehicle was metal on metal, so the brake pads are completely gone, need to be changed. So this rotor has been like this a while, so it won't come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it here. I'm going to hit it here, each side. Notice there's dust coming out of there, so there's probably brake dust stuck in there, jamming it. But what we're going to do is just kind of massage it all the way around, and as we do that, it'll eventually pop off and become loose. All right, so if you have one that's really stuck, you can get some penetrating oil and you can kind of spray it in here. But you can see all this dust on the ground that's been falling out. Every time I'm hitting this, it's falling out and kind of loosen it up. So now what I'm gonna do is, I think I got it pretty loose, so I'm gonna get my hammer and I'm just gonna kind of pull. As you can see, now it's wanting to come off. You hear all that squeaking down here. It's rubbing here. So anyway, that's how you get it off. And you can see this is all pretty rusty in here. You can see the rust down in here. And so that's just what happens over time. It builds up. But I hope this video is helpful. I hope you could get your sticky rotors off now that you've seen how to do that. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.